Me no know where this a flu ya come from, brother. But this is not just a regular flu. This I feel like spiritual warfare, brother. Me weak, me numb, me throat up on fire. Me feel like me no know myself. This a shit will kill you.
Hey fam, it's Migash. Welcome back to Migash Reactions. Lately, I've been seeing a lot of people online saying there's a flu going around in Jamaica, and some are genuinely worried. Today, we're reacting to those videos and breaking down the actual facts about the flu, what's normal, and what you really need to know. Credit to the original creators of the clips I'll be reacting to. Watch till the end for the full breakdown and subscribe as you are watching for real, informed conversations. Let's get into it.
From where the one little weird flu I go around and I don't know what cause it, but me I prepare myself, because in the day, I understand how everybody I get sick. Everybody I get sick from where they. This little flu come from nowhere. Pitney I get sick, big people I get sick, all dog I get sick. I don't know what go on, but like something in the atmosphere because everywhere. And not just one place, everywhere, all people I never yet encounter with in my life of it. So, I know something in the atmosphere I go around. I don't know what kind of red flu this from where they. I sick of everybody.
Corona still in Jamaica because the flu, what them say a flu, that is no flu. Because the bad experience that people have and people say how it make you feel, that can't be no normal flu, bro. So we need to ask the question again, is Corona in a Jamaica? And them a try to hold it down and a try to treat the people them. Eh? How can flu make you feel so? You can't walk, you can't breathe. Eh?
Mandy, listen, I don't know if I COVID or what, but if it is hindering you to the point where it's COVID-like symptoms, giant pain, weak out, you just feel like dog doodle, we have a problem for our hands. What hospital them just blow down a while ago? Jamaica can't manage its people. What hospital them just blow down a while ago? We can't manage that. We doom. If this get out of hand, we doom. You go say I move too dramatic, bro. Did you see how COVID did have the place? Even though I didn't make it get out of hand wickedly still. Did you see how COVID made the rural Africa rearrange itself? What hospital them just blow down, Jamaica can't manage that, people. You understand what I say? The Ministry of Health and Wellness is urging Jamaicans to get the free influenza vaccine available at health centers island-wide, as flu cases typically rise between December and March and can extend into May. A sick time now, people. A sick time, but them basic flu strain, yeah, clearly they have evolved. We not getting a regular flu. We just put it down and we sneeze 2 times. Or probably our body just ache and you understand what I say? We overeat. Your joints them a mash up. You can barely breathe. You're gonna need nebulizer. The whole of you gonna need a portable nebulizer. How we done? Officials say the flu spreads easily and can lead to serious complications, especially for young children, the elderly, and people with underlying conditions. Same thing. Crazy. Moving forward. While certain groups like healthcare workers, pregnant women, and those with chronic illnesses are prioritized, all Jamaicans are encouraged to be vaccinated to reduce severe illness and prevent complication. Now, let me tell you this right now. No phone where cut off for the family members, or cut off for the friend them because them say them not get no vaccine. I tell you this right now. We not for cut off in Negos. Me not get no vaccine. But am I going to play my part to make sure that I limit spreading germs, my germs, and limit receiving other people's germs? Yeah, I'm going to definitely do my part.
I may want to catch the flu here, walk around, drop some remedies that might actually work. I know enough other people might catch it and It actually drain your energy. I slept most days, like, couldn't do nothing, not really eat, and nothing me take in at work. So if you know something that might work, drop it in the comments.
There is a bad flu going around. My daughter caught it. She had headaches, joint stiffness. Her throat was sore and stiff as well. She had fever. I had to jump into action because I don't do any type of pharmaceuticals in my house whatsoever. I understand that the flu is a virus. So what do you need for viruses? Antivirals. What fights off viruses, bacteria, fungus, any type of infection in your body? The immune system. So you have to watch the amount of sugar your children are intaking because sugar suppresses the immune system. So all the buns, biscuit, cakes, ice cream, juices, sodas, even the so-called energy drinks that they use for electrolytes, those are a no-no as well. Full of sugar, full of preservative, full of so much poisons. Keep those away from your children. This is the best way to get electrolytes into your body. You can use jelly water, coconut water. I did not have coconut water at the time, so I blended cucumber and melon juice together, and I also put ginger in it and a half of a lemon for the vitamin C, because vitamin C helps the immune system. And also in her regular water, I added a pinch of natural sea salt for the electrolytes and also half of a lemon. I made a syrup for her. Natural honey, pure natural honey, garlic and onions. So I mashed out about 4 to 5 cloves of garlic. Then I used half of a purple onion. The white one works just the same. Chopped up that, put them in a glass jar and threw honey on it, and I put that to stay overnight. I started giving that to her on day 2. Herbs that I use in the tea are Spanish needle, bad piece of herb, knock down all type of viruses. Guaco opens up the lungs and allows you to expel mucus more easily. Also mullein is also good for the lungs. Orange peel for vitamin C support. Rose hips, nettle, stinging nettle, thyme, regular old thyme. It's great for the lungs. It cleanses out the lungs and it is also an antiviral. I also gave her a 2-ounce shot glass of my bitter reviver, because this bitter reviver, it's good for everything. It's the same thing as the full body detox, but this is just a liquid form. It's antiviral, antifungal, antimicrobial, it's natural antibiotics. These are multiple antiviral herbs in it. So here are some general herbs that are just good for flu viruses overall. Cerasee, the great Jamaican cerasee. When enough people walk past the good cerasee, I'm gonna shop and buy pies for them cool. You need some bitters. The cerasee tea is antiviral. It's amazing for colds and coughs and flus and viruses. It's just a great herb for a bunch of things. Guinean weed, antiviral again. Lemongrass helps with the fever. It also is an antiviral. Soursop leaves. It's great for the nervous system because the flu also attacks your nervous system. The virus attacks your nervous system. That's why many people feel pain when they have the flu. Elderberry blocks the virus from entering the cells. So get elderberry if you can. If not, fine. Like I said, I didn't use it. So by day 2, there were great results with my daughter. She was finally eating again because your appetite goes, which is a good thing as well. For one, your body not have time to digest no food. Your body just want to fight. Your immune system is trying to get out this virus because that's its number 1 priority. The fever went, the pain went, and the only thing that she has left now is the cough, which is a good thing because remember it was a war going on in your body. So your body is now just getting rid of what's left of the virus out of your system. It's just coughing up and getting it out. So all the other symptoms are gone. We were able to do that without one single pill. Not even none of them cough syrup. We never did have to use none of that. For sure, I say we already have everything that we need from God, nature, the bush. Them hospitals don't have to be as full as they are if we just know how to do these things at home. We understand we do need to go to the hospitals for some things, but some simple things that we can do at home, it's because we're not aware.
The bad flu going around.
Continue with the flu, and I'm saying, so today I'm at work, the 12th of January, and the principal is sick, another colleague is sick, and some of the other students are sick. So this flu is a very dangerous flu. So keep hydrated, take your vitamin C. And it comes with headache, it comes with fever, and it comes with a lot of pain, aches and pain. And the little children, the smallest children, they won't be, their body won't be able to manage this flu. That's why most of them are being admitted in the hospital or have to be taken to the hospital, because is a big breaking woman, and if I feel so much pain in my body, can you imagine these little 4-year-old, 3-year-old, 5-year-old, 6-year-old, the pain and the immense pain that they're in and the fever? So parents and teachers, you have to really be careful and don't sit. And when you catch this flu, please stay away, stay at home, get yourself together, get your rest. As I said before, this flu, you have to rest. Your body needs the rest. Only through the acquired rest that you will get will help you to come through, recuperate fast. And if you don't rest and rush, you're going to relapse. So you have to just rest this flu out and keep hydrated. Drink a lot of water, drink a lot of fluids to keep your body hydrated and so forth. But it is not for the weak. It is not for the weak. And the cough, when you it left you when you leave you with a cough, your stomach is sore. The middle of it, the stomach is sore. So people, be very careful and be very mindful. And if you're at work, look here, understand. If you're at work and you get sick, go your yard. School, go home. If your students are sick, parents keep them home because we don't want them to infect other students and teachers on a home. I remember once there was a flu also going around, and we had to close down school because when the students are sick, the parents keep on sending out these children and they infect other students and including the teachers. And we had a case here where the students were sick and the parents keep sending them out and all members of staff got sick and we had to close down school for that for a couple of days because all members of staff were sick. So we have to take the necessary precautions as it and add air and just keep the children at home, let them rest their little body, keep them hydrated and medicated so they can overcome this flu. And also goes for teachers and other persons in the workforce, because when you have this flu, you don't have no use to yourself, you don't have no use to your body, so it don't make sense you try if you go do that work, because you don't make no sense. You just do there take up space and not infect the whole environment. So just keep yourself safe and get your rest.
Alright fam, thank you for watching until the end. I wanted to do this video because when people say something is going around, fear spreads fast, especially online. So let's slow this down and separate panic from facts. There's a flu going around. When people say there's a flu going around, what they usually mean is more people around are sick, more coughing, sneezing, fever, body aches, people missing work or school. That doesn't automatically mean there's an outbreak. It often means flu season. Influenza is a viral respiratory illness. It spreads easily through coughing, sneezing, close contact, touching contaminated surfaces. The flu is not new and it comes back every single year. In Jamaica, flu season usually runs from the late in the year into early months. So when multiple people get sick around the same time, it can feel sudden, but it's actually seasonal. This happens almost every year. Let's talk symptoms so people understand what they are seeing. Common flu symptoms include fever or chills, headache, body aches, sore throat, runny or blocked nose, cough, fatigue. Some people will feel mild symptoms, others will feel knocked down for a few days. One thing that causes panic is when people think this doesn't feel like a normal flu. But here is the truth. Flu symptoms can feel very intense. Everyone's immune system is different. Stress, lack of sleep, and dehydration make symptoms worse. Feeling terrible does not automatically mean something dangerous or new. Some symptoms overlap, which is why people get confused. If symptoms are severe or unusual, that's when you should seek medical advice. You should take extra care if fever is very high, breathing becomes difficult, symptoms last more than a week, you feel dizzy, faint, or confused. A child or elderly person is affected. That's not panic. That's being responsible. The flu vaccine exists for a reason. It doesn't mean you'll never get sick, but it reduces severity, reduces complications, protects vulnerable people, especially important for elderly, people with asthma or chronic illness, and healthcare workers. Let's be honest, the basic still works. Wash your hands, cover coughs and sneezes, avoid close contact when sick, rest and hydrate. These aren't old-fashioned, they are effective. Social media amplifies everything. If 5 people post, I'm sick, everyone around me is sick, suddenly it feels like something serious is happening. But online experiences and national outbreaks. In Jamaica, people are very social. Crowded transport, schools, churches, markets that make seasonal illnesses spread faster, but also burn out faster. Fear spreads faster than facts. This video is not to dismiss anyone's experience. People are getting sick, but to educate, not panic. Having a flu season does not mean Jamaica is unsafe. It does not mean something unknown is happening. It means it's time to rest. Take care of each other, stay informed. If you found this video helpful, like, subscribe to Migash Reactions, and share it with someone you might be worried. Comment below. Have you or someone around you been sick recently? Let's talk calmly and responsibly. Until next time, stay safe.